Alright, this is a wireless arcade stick that I've made for the original Xbox. It is made with all industrial grade arcade parts. So all the plastic for the switches, all the micro switches for the buttons. They always have that nice feel like you're in an actual arcade. The stick itself is interchangeable between 4-way and 8-way. It's a Competition Pro, so it's got a really good feel to it. On the side, you can see I have put in an indicator LED. This does have a rechargeable battery, and that's what this port is for. And it also has the power on, power off switch. Take a look inside. You can see all of the connections have been soldered. So you don't have to worry about anything falling off. It's also for good connectivity, it's been soldered. The rechargeable battery and the board for the pad hack have been being held in place with actual standoffs and stainless steel screws, so they're not going anywhere. A few places I did use hot glue, was only to secure the wires, just to keep them out of the way. And I mean, it's pretty basic. Like I said, it does have right here where the wires come up. You can see where it goes to the recharging port, the LED, and your on-off switch. It is held together with some nice big metal clasps. So it's really got a good feel to it. You don't hear anything shaking around. Let's see. It will come with a AC adapter to recharge the battery, and of course the dongle for the original Xbox. And yeah, that's pretty much on the hardware side. Alright, so to show it off in use for a demo, we've got CoinOps 7 loaded up here. I'm going to be showing you some action on it. I'm going to be playing R-Type Leo. Go over the quick button layout real quick while we're here. Actually, it will include this instruction manual. Well, not really a manual, but it just shows you what each button is. So you got your left click and right click. Those will be your thumbsticks. Start, back. Then, you know, your normal face buttons, B, A, X, Y, white, black, and then left trigger, right trigger. So anyway, we'll go into this. As you can see, it's got a nice reaction time. I haven't been able to notice any lag, but then again, I am playing on a CRT, so lag times are a lot less likely on a CRT. Anyway, enough of that. I'm gonna get out, show you a fighting game on it real quick. For that. Let's go old school and just do some Street Fighter. Basic old Street Fighter 2. I'm not very good at Street Fighter, so please do not. So anyway, even with my bad playing, you kind of see how it's pretty easy to pull off moves when you have a tournament grade stick. So anyway, yeah. So that's pretty much it. Kind of get an idea of exactly what you're getting. I'm not completely sure about exactly how long the battery life is. I mean, I put this together a while ago, and I've played it quite a bit, and I haven't even recharged it yet. And so I'm assuming the battery life's probably pretty good. But yeah. Anyway, that's it.